Oh shit.
So right now we're at Fraser's Beach. Just went for a little fish, a little bit of fishing, and we're about to make our way over down to Freeman campsite. Now Freeman campsite's a little far away from the beach, but it's not too far. I'll chuck a torch on me. Don't have the torch on me right now, but they're just boats off in the distance there. You can probably hear the ocean. That's the sky, the moon, some stars up there. It's a pretty nice night sky tonight, but we're just gonna do some camping and some fishing. Gonna get the drone up in the air at some point, get some shots. We've already got some footage off the drone today. There's also a little creek down here. You probably can't see anything on the camera. So if I'm watching this video while editing and it's just not good enough to see, I'll probably just chuck up some drone footage over my voice. Anyway, we're gonna stop filming now and head over to Freeman campsite. Freeman Beach campsite was closed, so we ended up staying at Fraser Beach campsite. Your swag.
Oh yeah. Yeah, mine's better.
Just whacked my fingers and it's freezing.
And also, I'm gonna peg mine back. Fuck it.
Oh, perfect. This is one. Yeah, we do have 3 of them. Dad,
What?
we do have 3 of these lights.
We got 3.
Yeah, I looked on the box. That 3rd one is also one. There's yours. Unboxing time.
We were all excited about these lights. Turns out they weren't working because the batteries were flat. Tip for next time.
Alrighty. I'm gonna grab the camera down.
Did you get the gas bottle down?
Gas bottle, yeah, I got it out. I'll go grab it.
Thanks, big man.
So what are we doing next?
I'm gonna cook a feed. Chicken and rice.
Chicken and rice. And then chicken rice. Everything is just chicken. Alright. Yeah, yes you do. Alright, so we've just cooked up this mega feed. It looks real nice.
Magnificent feed.
Magnificent feed.
Oh, that rice is perfect, mate.
Really nice. Guys, we're about to go to bed. I'm using Dad's camera because mine is really low. Time it's around 8:30.
Well, here we are. We've had a really good feed. Been sitting out watching the stars. Yeah, and I'm ready to hit the hay. Anyway, I'm done for the night. Later.
We're in the swag. Probably gonna hit the hay. Kettle's boiling.
Where is your coffee cup?
It's right on the bench. I cleaned it out already this morning. I poured some water in there. It's about 5 AM. Sun hasn't come up yet. It was pretty cold last night, but it's really cold this morning. I'm just gonna get some coffee made up. get us awake, and we'll probably do some fishing. So Dad's packing up the car, about to pack up the camp. I'm gonna get it packed up real quick. Watch how fast we can do it. Okay, we just packed up. Going to Macca's now. McDonald's.
Oh shit. Bugger. Well, that sucks. Alright, I think I've got this down pat now. Couple more casts and then we'll go and do some drone stuff. Yeah, I'm not getting anywhere near enough. Absolutely nothing. Last one. Well, that wasn't very exciting at all.